Parker, he rocks.
Here's one from Chris Jansen. I ain't rich, but I damn sure wanna be. Working like a dog all day, working for me. I wish I had a rich uncle that'd kick the bucket, sitting on a pile like Warren Buffett. Know what everybody says, money can't buy everything, but it could buy me a boat. It could buy me a truck to pull it, buy me a Yeti 110 iced down with some silver bullets. Yeah, I know what they say, money can't buy everything, so maybe so, it could buy me a boat. They call me redneck, white trash, and blue collar, but I could change all that if I had a couple $1 million. They say that money is the root of all evil, can't fit a camel through the eye of a needle. Guess that's probably true, but it'd still be pretty cool, 'cause it could buy me a boat. It could buy me a truck to pull it, buy me a Yeti 110 iced down with some silver bullets. Yeah, I know what they say, money can't buy everything, so maybe so, it could buy me a boat to float down on the water with a beer. I hear Powerball Lotto is sitting at 100 mil. That could buy me a brand new rod and reel. That could buy me a boat. That could buy me a truck to pull it, buy me a Yeti 110 iced down with some silver bullets. Yeah, I know what they say, money can't buy everything, so maybe so, it could buy me a boat. One more time. I know what they say, money can't buy everything, it's maybe so, it could buy me a boat. Parker, all right. Thank you. Good job.